I'm Morgan Lair Miller, the Maryland State Librarian and head of the Maryland State Library Agency. We've now come to the end of a successful legislative session. Governor Moore and our partners in the General Assembly have worked with us to pass a number of bills that expand access and learning throughout all of Maryland's libraries. In addition to increases in state aid for every county public library system in Maryland, the General Assembly has supported capital funding for 13 library facility projects around the state. What's more, we're very excited about the passage of 2 new bills, an annual funding bill for the Maryland Deaf Culture Digital Library, as well as the Family Literacy Program pilot. Let's hear from our partners in the General Assembly, who will tell you more.
The Maryland Deaf Culture Digital Library has been such an important resource for so many deaf and hard of hearing Marylanders. And when you think about the fact that roughly 1 in 4 or 1 in 5 Marylanders are deaf and hard of hearing, it's an important constituency that needs this resource to continue. And while we've been getting funding on an annual basis year by year as a patchwork for this important resource, we haven't had a guaranteed source of funding before. And so this was really, really important to make sure that even in tough budget times, we maintained a critical source of reliable funding going forward.
I really care about reading and family literacy. We know here in Maryland that we have a lot of work to do with our youth in terms of making sure that students are able to read on grade level, but unfortunately we have a lot of work to do in terms of our adult population, especially Marylanders who are incarcerated. Something like 70% of Marylanders who are incarcerated are functionally illiterate. So it was really important for me to find new creative ways to be promoting literacy for Marylanders of all ages. The Maryland State Library Agency has been such a wonderful partner for this legislation. I'll be honest, I was trying to work on this bill for a few years, and it really was with the current leadership and leadership team that we were able to get this bill across the line. It's wonderful to have partners who recognize the importance of literacy, and including for Marylanders who are incarcerated, to make sure that they not just have access to education resources, but continue to promote connections with their families.
None of this would be possible without all of the outstanding partners we've worked with over the past several months. First, I want to thank all of our lead sponsors in the House and the Senate: Delegate Polakovich-Carr, Delegate Spiegel, Senator Washington, and Senator King. We also owe a huge debt of thanks to the Maryland library community, especially the Maryland Library Association, Citizens for Maryland Libraries, and the Maryland Association for Public Library Administrators. Together, we are more. Thank you.